Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to order Balmain's spring promotional hair straightener because one, it was super cute and it came with a lot of gifts that I felt was a good value for money. What they have going on is like, you know, since it's Corona, they have like support your salon, and where you buy like products and you can get either a free hair spa towel. Oh my god, I can't talk. And a free cosmetics bag. If you purchase a styling tool, and I really like the pink like cordless hair straightener that they had because it came with a pink bag, and that's what sold me. So here I'm just taking out the package. It was an exciting thing to get because the box was huge and like it was heavy to begin with, and like I love heavy packages. Like that does it for me. So you get two things. You get the Balmain box, and then you get this other box which has the promotional stuff in it. And what I love about these boxes is that one, they're really sturdy, and two, like you can use them for other stuff. So I ended up using the Balmain cordless hair straightener box for my nail products and the big box for my hair products. But anyways, going into it, so this is what comes in the Balmain box. Like I said, I got the cordless hair straightener, and it comes with that super cute bag, which is one of the main reasons why I got it, because to me it was like a tremendous value for money. It's just this really cute mini cordless hair straightener, which I mean, it's important to me because when you got your wigs and you always want to look good, you don't need a plug every time you want to straighten your hair. You can just turn it on. It's supposed to last like 4 hours on a charge or something like that. I don't know, but yeah. So you can they have the lock on the back, so you can lock it and unlock it, turn it on and turn it on. Oh my gosh, I'm not good at this, y'all. I'm not good at this at all. But yeah, okay, onto the bag. This bag is what does it for me. It's hard case. It has like a big zipper, so it's easy to open and close, and then that's where all the charging accessories are. And what surprised me even more, I'm about to show y'all in a minute, but I just got to show off this bag real quick, is it comes with so many adapters. It comes with an adapter for every country except for China, I think. I don't know what they use in China. But it comes with a European adapter, a UK adapter, and a US adapter, which is really important to me because I travel a lot. Well, especially between Europe and US. So that was like super important, you know, for me. That was like, that's what did it for me. I was like, oh my God, yes. But yeah, so I'm just removing the different adapters, and in a minute I'm going to show you like how it goes on. It's super easy to put on and take off, and yeah. So just removing all these packaging, these bags, bubble bags. I was tempted to pop them but I'm a grown woman. I'm not going to do that childish stuff anymore, so I refrained from doing it. But best believe after that video, I popped all them bags, like all of them. So, here's like I'm showing you how to put it on. You see how easy it was to put on? Yeah, super easy to put on, super easy to take off, just super easy to use. Yeah. So another thing that comes in there that I loved was it has two straps. It has a wrist strap that you can like attach to the bottom, and like if you want to just go to the beach and have it on your wrist, and you can do that. And it also has a strap that you can like wear it as a purse, like a crossover purse, which was like super cool for me because like I got a purse and a hair straightener for like $200. Okay, I lie. I just lied. It was like 245 euros. Oh, also you guys, buy this in Europe because it's $100 cheaper if you buy it in Europe than in the US. So that's just a tip. Actually, any like European luxury brands are cheaper in Europe. So get you a friend or somebody with an address in Europe and buy it there. Save you $100. Yeah, might as well ship it. And I'm sorry that my belly button is all up in like the camera and stuff. I was wearing like a crop top, but I didn't know that I was gonna be showing all my business out there. But yeah, I hope you like my piercings, by the way. So that's the bag. It fits like everything in there perfectly. I'm just showing you, like I showed you before, just with the flat iron in there. And now I'm just going to put all of the charging cables and stuff in. So like it also works as a storage bag. I probably will never use it as a storage bag, but it works as a storage bag. And there you have it. And it easily zips up. That's another thing that I like. I hate like purses that are extremely hard to open and close with the zipper. Yeah, it's just not worth it for me. Oh, so when you remove that part, you have the warranty and all that, legal stuff in there. Yeah. Oh, but just like all other warranties, like if you mess it up yourself, they're not going to replace it. It's only like factory defects and things of that nature. So, on to the big box. So this box I love. Mine is like the little damage on the corner there. That's the only down part was like, I don't know how that happened, but it came like that. But yeah, but the box is, I love the box because it's super hard. And like I said, I store my hair tools in that now. Oh, and y'all, they put so much promotional stuff in there. Like, I don't know. Yeah, it's just like as if I'm supposed to be going around door to door, handing out pamphlets and stuff. Yeah, but they put a bunch of promotional material in there. Just the same shit over and over again. Yeah, that was I guess they gotta fill it up some way, somehow. And I guess, I don't know, they also sell stuff to salons. So like if I own my own salon, that would be really cool to have like Balmain magazines just everywhere. So I guess that was a purpose. I don't know, but yeah, I ended up throwing all that away because minimalism, trying to practice minimalism here. I'm not doing too well at that, but it's the effort. A for effort. That's what matters. So here, yeah, this is the gift. This what came free with the purchase for the Support Your Salon coronavirus apocalypse thing. This was their promotional thing that they had going on. This is also another reason why I bought, because I was getting all of this for just the price of a hair straightener. So value for money, A++++++. This has a really nice, soft, foamy touch to it, which I really, really liked. It's perfect for the beach. Like if you're going to the beach and you just like want to have some like a few cute stuff with you, like it's like really perfect for that because the sand falls right off of it. It's like, I think you could just throw it in the washing machine and it cleans super easily. But yeah, these are the things that come inside of it. Which is also a plus. So I'm just gonna like give you guys a small overview of what comes in that little bag. So you have the sun protection spray, and it's supposed to nourish and condition sun or sea or chlorine exposed hair, so it keeps your hair nice and conditioned while it's like in the hot sun or like going into the beach. You also have the argan moisturizing exo, and it's like a rejuvenating pure organic serum that gives like an instant boost in creating a smooth, healthy look, like just shine, beautiful shine for your hair. And also like this texturizing salt spray. It's like it's like a heat resistant. Like if you're gonna straighten your hair, you're gonna spray that on first. And yeah. Now, to be honest, I wouldn't use any of those products on my natural hair because I've never seen like black people with 4C hair like in any of their commercials or anything. So I'm just going to assume their hair products are not made for black people 4C, like nappy ass head, but I will use it on my wigs. That is for sure. But my hair, no, I'm not gonna let that shit touch my hair. But yeah, and that's what came in the package, and thank you guys for watching.